Is it time to buy or sell Airbnb stock? In this video, we will explore Airbnb in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 19th of December, 2024, our system has identified Airbnb as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.76%. This equates to an average return of 1.8% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.93% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 1.09% to positive 16.22%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to a possible decline of 15.34% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 35.11% and negative 6.71%. This would suggest a price range of $87.09 to $125.20 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Airbnb includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Airbnb stock after gaining 3.76%. The Airbnb stock price increased by 3.76% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of December, 2024. The price rose from $129.35 to $134.21. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.83%, reaching a low of $128.34 and a high of $135.82. The stock has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, though it remains down by 1.98% for this period. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 13 million shares changed hands for approximately $1.68 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $170.10, while the lowest was $110.40. Currently, the price stands 21.1%, or $35.89, below the 52-week high, and 38.98%, or $85.73, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $219.94. Airbnb Inc. ABNB closed at $129.35 on December 19th, marking an increase of 1.42% amid a broader market decline. This resilience indicates investor confidence, likely driven by the company's strong performance in booking nights and experiences, which stands in contrast to macroeconomic headwinds and rising competition. However, Airbnb faces challenges as Spain's government has initiated an investigation into alleged illegal advertising for unlicensed tourist accommodations. This scrutiny could lead to regulatory hurdles, affecting operational costs and limiting growth in a crucial European market. Despite these challenges, analysts are generally optimistic about Airbnb. The company has been highlighted as a top stock pick for 2025, suggesting that it may still possess strong upside potential. The combination of growing enthusiasm, particularly in sectors like artificial intelligence and travel, along with recent rebound trends in its stock price, could position Airbnb favorably for investors seeking growth opportunities. In the short term, the increase in stock price reflects positive sentiment, but long-term impacts will depend on how effectively Airbnb navigates regulatory challenges and capitalizes on its operational strengths. The market's response will hinge on these factors, potentially influencing investor confidence and stock performance as we move into 2025. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, December 18, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned ABNB a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, October 23, 2024, Wells Fargo rated ABNB as sector perform with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, October 22, 2024, Jefferies gave ABNB a hold rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, October 17, 2024, Citigroup rated ABNB as buy with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, October 16, 2024, KeyBank assigned ABNB a sector weight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Airbnb stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book value as a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Airbnb. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 18, 2024, and so far, it has risen approximately 5.23%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term development. The Airbnb stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, offering a more negative outlook. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $135.84. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $131.99. A breakthrough through the long-term average will signal another buy, whereas a decline below the short-term average will issue an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general sentiment. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 38 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Airbnb. Airbnb is currently supported by accumulated volume at $133.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences moderate daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $7.48 between its high and low, which represents a change of 5.83%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 3.57%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Airbnb, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 11th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 610 of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Airbnb. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Airbnb is at $134.61. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Airbnb faces its first support level at $133.20. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Airbnb from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of December, 2024, Gebbia Joseph executed an insider sale of 2,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Gebbia Joseph also conducted an insider sale of 127,898 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the same date, Gebbia Joseph performed an insider sale of 84,387 shares of Class A common stock. On the 11th of December, 2024, Chesky Bryan executed an insider sale of 2,009 shares of Class A common stock. Then, on the 9th of December, 2024, Chesky Bryan sold 11,817 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.039. In total, insiders purchased 3,461,267 shares and sold 6,843,678 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $128.52, reflecting a decrease of 4.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Airbnb stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Airbnb stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of December, we expect Airbnb to open down $1.42, starting at $132.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.